Nature is so incredible, so incredible. After lots of rain today, the sun burst through. I'm just taking a moment in this beautiful woodland with all these birds. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, drinking it in, receiving, letting it wash through, creating quiet and space and joy and beauty and brightness, and bringing back that wonder and that just love of being alive. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. So gorgeous. I'm just gonna lose the sun. The weather's changing again. So glad I've taken this moment and embraced this moment and taken a moment to share with you. The clouds coming, the lights changing. Just that natural shift and flow of life as we soften into the light changing, into the darker moment. As you can feel the quality change, the light change, softening, an inward draw. Still magic, still beautiful. So beautiful. Inviting us in, inviting us home, to pause and to listen. Breathing into your body, into your roots, into your heart, and receiving yourself exactly as you are in this moment, just as you are, in all your honest presence. And noticing, thinking, feeling it's all okay. Full welcome. Sending so much love.